You. My name is BB. Like everybody, can we say BB? What's short for Butterball? To me, you know what BB stands for? Beautiful baby. Don't be bashful, I can see your eyelashes. I see your eyelashes. Oops. Oh dear, I think I'm focusing on the wall. See your eyelashes. Hi, beautiful baby. She's not bobbing her head tonight. I just want to see your belly. I want to see the blue. Ooh, see, I'm focusing on the wall. This is hard to do. To focus. Now, can you see the blue mixed in with the green? Can you see it? Can you see the blue? See it? Look underneath the yellow. I can't turn my hand. I'm trying. See the blue? Look. See how it blends in with the green? Now what did Bridget want? I wanted a blue and yellow green mixed parakeet. Well, looky here. I got her. And what's so sweet is she's so sweet. She's just so hand-friendly. And no, I did not train her to do this. She just did this from day one. I did not even handle her the first 3 weeks. I didn't start handling her until Rose started laying some more eggs, and BB was 29 days old before I started handling her. Now with her siblings, I handle them from the day they started opening their eyes. Every day. I handle them every day, morning and night, put them in a little basket, and let them play on my hands. Every day. And then, soon as I got them out of the nest box, they had nothing to do with me again. But beautiful baby, totally opposite. I thought, why waste my time handling her? She's not going to like me after I let her out of the box. And she was the opposite. So maybe early training, I guess it's to each bird. We'll see what the next batch is like. BB, you've got some brothers and sisters coming up. Yeah, I can't wait to see them. I hope they're as beautiful as you are. Because I don't know where you got all this blue from. Just gorgeous. Then you have the most beautiful feathers. I mean tail. It's not opened right now. It's just green, yellow, and blue. I'm trying to get her to spread it. Can you see the blue underneath there? She's like, what are you doing to me? There goes the bop. The beep bop. Bop bop. Bitty bop bop. Okay. Say goodbye, audience. Talk to you later. Oh, by the way, BB is 38 days old. She was born July 1st. I'm filming this on August the 8th of 2014. And her birthday is July 1st. And I hope she stays this precious. Oh, with that blow dryer in the background. Colors kind of match that picture, doesn't it? I like this thing that's over here. Very good toy. I wonder if I can focus in on it. See? Mommy likes that. Then I like that too for my mother-in-law. You have no idea how hard this is what I'm doing. See you later. Say I love you.